What's going on, guys? Today we have a quick and easy mod. This is going to be from Rad Rubber Design, and they make these engine splash guards for the second and third gen Tacomas. Basically what we got going on here is the factory splash guard. It's made of some very, how do you say it? It's very thin material. At this point, the truck is nearly 10 years old, so I do expect rubber components to deteriorate. But this is just pretty crazy the way it's falling apart. I could actually hear this whipping when I'm driving, and it was driving me nuts. So that's what led me to purchase these. Now these, I went with this brand because I like how they kept the OEM shape for the rear and the front. There are some brands that make one piece that goes all the way across, but the price was really expensive. So I paid 60 bucks shipped for these four with new fasteners to put them on. So we'll no longer be using the factory ones. But I thought that was a smoking deal because each one of those is $50 from Toyota. So you're talking about 200 bucks. And the single aftermarket pieces are in the same price category. So I just kept it simple. I'm not going through mud and a bunch of crazy stuff like that. So that doesn't really concern me too much. But I did want to get rid of that flapping noise and just the generally ugly look when looking in the wheel well. So while I'm doing some routine maintenance, every oil change I rotate the tires and retorque the bead locks, I figured let's get these Rad Rubber engine splash guards installed. Rather than putting them on with the wheels, since we have room, we'll just make it quick and easy and get both jobs done today. And as you can see on this side, we have the similar problem. It is just completely torn and flapping around. And when you're driving on the freeway with crosswinds, it makes all kinds of racket. So I cannot wait to get these new ones on. All right, that one is good to go. And we just got one more. All right, and we got one more installed. Obviously, this is in the way again, like I mentioned, so we're not doing the other one in the corner, but it will be nice and secure regardless. So like I said, that was quick and easy, but if you made it this far, thanks for watching. Again, these are a way better upgrade and well priced compared to the OEM replacements and some aftermarkets.